Don't worry, help is on the way.
Oh no!
Wow, Mira's a mermaid! It's a dream come true! Let's hope the others sprouted some gills too. Ooh, Zoe's got a tail! And big bright eyes.
What?
Don't worry about Rumi, she's climbed out of bigger messes. Our little mermaids are gonna need a place to rest their fins.
Yay!
I don't think pieces of candy are the answer. Wait a sec, candy is always the answer. And look, we can use the wrappers to decorate the walls. They even kind of look like mermaid fins. Kinda.
Wow!
And there's more than enough to fill things up. Wow, the rainbow fish must have been generous today.
Wow!
Home renovation is thirsty work. How about some juice? Is it empty? Good. We can use that container. She's always got a trick up her sleeve. A slip cover, but it needs something else. Twist and turn this pipe cleaner into a cool new shape.
Wow!
It's coral, the perfect thing for our seabed. Couch. Come on, girls. Why don't you sit down and relax?
Yes!
Hey, somebody's splashing around here. Oh, it's Mira, and she's got the right idea. After all, a mermaid needs to be near water. Just take a large hamster tunnel, like from a large hamster. Hang them up. They can become slides. Next, grab our special treasure chest. It's got just what we need, aquarium glass.
Wow!
Here's the fun part. Take a hammer and break it into gravel. Now we can use it to cover up the seafloor. And no one said that it can't be rainbow colored. Add some underwater decor, like a castle and some sea plants. Don't forget to make a little treasure chest of their own. The slides could use a little something too.
Yay!
Okay, girls, why don't you try them out? Come on, there's plenty of room down here for all of you. Oh, Rumi, save that for the public pool.
Ew!
Yeah, I can see why Mira's sitting this one out. What can we do? An egg? Well, at least it's fresh. Leaving the nest so soon? See you later. But his love is always with us. See? It could use a little something, like some gum. Make sure it has a square shape and add it on. Of course, we want to keep our ocean theme going. Besides, coral is just so comfy. Here, Rumi. We should give her some alone time. Ooh, it looks like Zoe's getting hungry. And I'm sure Mira can eat too. Take some scraps of paper. It's doll seaweed. Now add some filling on the inside. It's our very special mermaid gimbap. Made for mermaids, not out of mermaids. No mermaids were hurt in the making of this video. This should put some spring in your step. Just kidding. It's Romune. It's their trademark. You know, I think we've all earned a treat. Ooh, save that paper cup when you're done. Do you need an antacid? Or a breath mint? All good? Well then, let's get crafting. We can use it to make a TV castle. Wow, it even picks up Cool Tool videos. But it looks like Rumi wants to hit the hay. Or whatever the mermaid version of that is. Grab a zip pack and fill it with water beads. Seal it up tight and lie it down flat. Now let's add some color, like blue and green. Add some paper, down below and some on top. We need to spread the color out, so get smushing. Come on, I want to see some serious turquoise. Find some room for our seabed in the corner. All Rumi needs is some pillows and she can sleep. Or lie back and feel the beads between her fingers. Hey, who keeps throwing trash? Oh, it's you. What are you even looking for? A plastic bottle? Break it up and keep the bottom half. Draw a blue circle and carve it out. Now it's time to start heating things up. Make some nice shapes to put together. Hey, we've made a baby jellyfish. Of course, they need to float. Hang them up. And just look at how they light up the room. Besides, Rumi can use a little nightlight. Next up, grab an old glue gun stick. Now break it up into little pieces. But we really want to make sure everyone gets the point. Make sure you've got adult supervision, even if you are one. Who says an octopus's garden can't be well lit?
Yay!
Now enjoy some fun, well-written videos. You know, they're great singers, but they're real sirens now.